Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 and now we will present our presentation with topic Pest Control Economic Decision Level. In this video, we will discuss about concept, income threshold, and economic injury levels. Bisa next. So before we start our presentation, let me introduce our member. The first one, there is Veronica Estika. Second one is Fauzan Ridrul. And the third one is Mareta Dwi Prasasti. The fourth one is Gabriel Stella. And the fifth one, there is Elsa Nuraini. And sixth, there is Ilham Maulana. And the last one, there is Muhammad Abdullah Fakih.
Understanding the concept of economic level. This concept appears because the tendency of farmers to use insecticide excessively to eradicate pests without using a rational basis. Insecticide used in a scheduled manner based on the age of the plant for preventive and for economic reasons, but this action is inefficient and have great risks for environmental equality. Therefore, it's necessary to establish an economic and ecological basis that can be used to decide when and where pesticides should be used. Next. Definition from professional. Mumford and Norton, 1982, said that the basic concept of the economic level is the break-even concept in pest control. Stan et al., 1959, said that economic level is the density of the pest population that requires control measures to prevent further population increases that can reach the economic injury level. Next. Various kinds of economic level concept. Economic level concept consists of few concepts. There are, first, economic damage, second, economic threshold, third, economic injury level, and fourth, general equilibrium.
Economic damage. This concept divided into injury and damage. Injury is every kind of psychological deviation of plant as a result of pest activities or attack. So this concept focuses on pests and their activities. The second one, damage is loss by plants due to pests attack from a decrease in quality and quantity of production. Economic threshold. This concept used to decide which pest control method should take according to integrated pest management or IPM concept. PT is population density of pests that require control measures to prevent population increase from reaching the economic injury level. This concept used by farming to decide what agriculture activities should take to prevent losses?
Economic injury level. This concept is condition that the population of pests reach the lowest number that can cause economic damage. Conceptually, economic threshold (ET) is under economic injury level (AIL). Economic injury level leads to the aspect of calculating cost for profit and losses in agricultural activities. Next. Next. General equilibrium level. General equilibrium is how supply and demand interact and tend toward a balance in an economy of multiple markets working at once. The balance of competing levels of supply and demand in different markets ultimately creates a price equilibrium. Next.
Now, as you can see on the screen, there is a picture of graphic that representative pest population volatility and location of economic injury level, economic threshold, and general equilibrium levels in normal condition. Next. What is loss value? Loss value is every decrease in economic income that occurs due to the reduced yields due to pest attacks and expenses incurred for control activities. And what is economic damage value? Economic damage value is level of damage to crops caused by pests that justify the expense of artificial control to measure. For example, control with pesticide. This damage begins when the cost of control required to suppress the injury caused by the pest attack is equal to the value of the potential loss of the plant due to the pest population.
Then, income threshold is an important value in the management of pests. This value is stated by the amount of production that can be harvested with use of controlling activity. Income threshold is cost of management divided product price. Income threshold unit is the weight of product generated in kilogram per or divided unit area at hectare. Then next. Economic injury level or ALE. Economic injury level or ALE is the lowest density of population that can result in economic damage or the magnitude of losing the result with the magnitude of the acquisition threshold. Economic injury level is a state where the lowest population density that can result in economic damage. Next.
Determinant of ALE. ALE is influenced by biological and ecological economic component. In figure 2, it can be seen that ALE is determined by A. Consideration of farmer risk of pest attack. The magnitude of this risk varies. The magnitude of the risk varies according to the social and economic consideration of the farmer. B. The relationship between pest population and yield loss in quantity and quality. And C. The relationship between pest population and control cost. Next. ALE calculation. ALE is a level where the value salvageable loss NKH equal cost of control. B. NKH equal X multiple P A H X is production price, which KH which lost the result of the plant because of the population kilogram deficit HA PKH is equal P multiple L multiple R. P, the population of destination of pest population of pest. L, size of plant injury per individual pest. R, weight of plant damage per plant wood unit. And difference per deviance. So N, X, N, K, H equal H multiple P multiple L multiple R. Next. ALA occur when NH equal P, so the equation is obtained. NKH equal P equal H multiple P multiple L multiple S. So this equation can be obtained the following value of ALE. ALE equal P divided H multiple L multiple R. P at the break even point is ALE. Next.
Next is primary factor that determines ALA. First one is price or production value of plants. The higher the price, then ALA gets lower with a slower decreasing rate. The second is control fees and management of pests. The higher the control cost, the profits will decrease. ALA will increase damaging potential. Third point is the greater the potential to damage a pest, the lower value of ALA. The value of ALA of pests that damage direct parts, the part of ALA of pests that damage indirect parts. And the last is level of plant sensitivity to wounds. Plants is nurseries are the most sensitive. The older, the more tolerance. The sensitivity of the plant increase in the fruits or seeds formation phase. The tolerance increase as it approaches the ripening phase. ALA is different for each growth phase. Next. Secondary factor that affect primary factor is one, population density that affect plants damage. And the second is apexities that affect the amount of controlling costs. And territory factor is variable or factor that indirectly affect primary factors such as soil condition, weather, and social economic communication and age. Next.
Okay, that's all from our teams. Thank you so much for your guys' attention. And if you guys have any question, you can write in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.